My name is Simon and I'm the School Engagement Officer at NPTC Group of Colleges. Part of my role is to talk to pupils in Year 11 at our local schools about what the college has to offer and how to apply for your chosen course. I would usually do that in person at your school, but things have certainly taken a turn for the unusual, which is why I'm talking to you from my home. Nobody really knows what's happening in the world right now, with schools and colleges closed and some uncertainty still surrounding exactly how qualifications are going to be awarded at the end of the academic year. That's why I wanted to make this video, to say to you, to anyone who's thinking of studying at college, don't worry. You have enough to stress about at the moment, so please know this. You will have a place at college in September if that's what you want. If you've applied for a course already and you've had an interview, then you don't need to do anything else as long as you've accepted your offer. We'll send you information about joining college as time goes on. If you haven't accepted your offer, you can do that now by logging onto your account. If you're having difficulty logging in, I'll talk to you about that in a moment. If you've recently submitted an application, you won't need an interview because, like me, all staff are working from home, and face-to-face interviews and social distancing don't go so well together. Instead, we're offering you a place on the course, provided you meet certain conditions. More on those conditions in just a second or two. Once you've received your offer, you'll need to accept it by logging into your account. Okay, and finally, if you've yet to submit an application, you can still do so via our website, www.nptcgroup.ac.uk, search for the course you're interested in, browse by subject area, and once you've decided on a course, click the Apply Now button in the page sidebar. Make sure that if the course is available in multiple locations, you select the college you want. From there, you'll be taken to our application form. Complete your personal details in each section of the form, providing as much information as you can. Once you've completed all sections, you're ready to submit. When that's done, you'll receive an email making you a conditional offer, namely that you get the qualifications listed in the entry requirements. Again, these are uncertain times and we know results are going to be different. We don't know how it's going to work exactly, but we're confident that the grades awarded in the summer will be fair and accurate. Once you've received your offer, you'll need to accept it by logging into your account. To log in, you'll need your login details, your email address and password, which you provided at the time you created the account. If you can't remember your password, you'll need to reset it using the memorable information you gave when setting up the account. If you haven't set up an account yet, top tip, keep a note of all those details somewhere safe. I hope this video has provided you with some useful information, but mostly I hope it's put your mind at rest. If you can't access your account or make an application, or you don't know if you've applied for the right course, or if you're going to get the grades, don't worry. We have a course for you, and that's a guarantee. Right now, you need to focus on staying safe, maintaining social distancing, and getting on with your schoolwork. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in September. If you have any questions, you can email admissions@nptcgroup.ac.uk or drop us a message on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you soon.